Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the mass airflow sensor on your Q50. I got a code. It was a PO101 code. So if you get that, it has something to do with the mass airflow sensor. So I'm going to show you how to clean it real quick. Alright guys, so the mass airflow sensor is usually right after the air filter box, okay? Right along the intake track. So if you look down here, follow this wire. That's your sensor right down there, okay? So you can either take it off and spray it, or with this code, we're just gonna snap this and take out the filter, which has to be replaced anyway. So, and there you go, that's the sensor right there. We're just gonna spray that with some cleaner, okay? Now this one has two, okay? You gotta do the same thing on this side. Just snap this and do the same thing. Take out the filter, and this is your sensor right there, okay? All right guys, so grab yourself some of this mass airflow sensor cleaner, okay? And what you're gonna do is spray it right on the sensor right there, okay? A couple of times. The stuff will dry, okay? And all you gotta do is put the filter back on. All right guys, so if you wanna replace it, you need to get a 7mm and get under here. What you're gonna do is disconnect it and then get this in there to get the two bolts out of it. I'll show you how to do that. All right, I disconnected the sensor. All you got to do is press on this and just pull it, okay? And then you have, let's get this out of the way. You have your sensor right there. So you have a 7mm bolt right on top. You're gonna take that one out, and there's one on the other side. So let's get those off. Once you get this loose, just get the two bolts out. That's one screw, don't lose it. And get the other one. Alright, that's the other one. Now your mass airflow just comes right out. Okay. This is what it looks like. Alright, before you put this in, they have arrows here. See the arrow? So that's how it's supposed to go with the direction of the flow of the air. So we're just gonna put it in there just like that. Alright guys, that's how you clean your mass airflow sensors on Infiniti Q50. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.